Hi China.
Hi Tanmay.
We are back again.
Yes, we are back
Today
again.
we'll be talking with China Karmakar about the power of now. Everybody must have heard this word power of now. Let's explore it further. So China, how has been your experience with this power of now? Was it there in our Vedic wisdom?
Yes. That is, stay in, always we heard that stay in present, stay in moment. But it is very difficult for people to stay in moments.
True.
Because people try to, what happens? People try to always live in past. And which is not in existence.
True.
So, and past comes in their future, and past come in their present, and present decides the future.
Yeah.
So that is happening. So by holding the past, we are unable to live the moments.
Absolutely.
And see, life is a journey. It should be fluid, kind of. It should be kind of, in motion. Nothing should stay with us. So by holding our past, we are actually stuck in present also. We are not moving ahead. And similarly, by getting stuck with the past, we are uh, unable to expand our present.
Okay,
And that's
it.
how we are concluding, we are limiting our future as well.
Absolutely. So you mean
Right.
to say that if I'm sad right now, I'm extending that to my future?
Exactly,
Okay,
exactly.
okay.
Because everything is all about energy.
True.
So if in my past, I have, experience of pain or some hurtful event, by getting stuck to this event, I am stretching it to my day-to-day life.
Okay.
Now my day-to-day life is sad, and I am used to this frequency. What will happen? I will extend it to my future as well. So you can see there is a constant, thread of sadness.
Absolutely. That is the reason it's very difficult for people to get out of this.
Exactly, because they are not aware of
They are not aware.
why they are sad, and they add more struggle to their journey by, you know to come out of that struggle. They are not aware of how to come out, and they
Absolutely.
try to come out. I'm sad. So there is a, both the side there is a struggle. They want to come out, struggle, and at the same time they want to feel happy. Correct.
Okay.
That I want to come out of this sadness, I want to feel. So the struggle is more.
Jana, have you ever felt that happiness is oversold?
Yes, happiness is oversold. Oversold.
Because can a human be always happy?
See, it is, once again, it is all about, your emotions. How, why there is non-acceptance of emotions, right? The moment you try to be happy, you cannot be. Because you are
Absolutely.
chasing
First major point, you cannot try to be happy.
to be happy.
Okay.
Nothing cannot be tried. So people
Absolutely.
say, try to get rid of, pain and try to be happy. It cannot be. Right.
True.
So you always need to think about it. That why the sadness? By getting into the root cause of sadness.
Okay.
Actually, by accepting that, actually we can come out of the sadness
Absolutely.
effortlessly.
Absolutely.
And I always feel effortlessness in my life. And people feel that everything is an effort. No, it can be effortless. And happiness, it is once again byproduct of our.
Okay, let me remind you, when she says effortlessness, it doesn't mean sit on the bed and do nothing.
Exactly.
Yeah, because that has been a
Yes.
major question which we get. How do we not do anything?
Correct. People
Yeah.
get confused
Yeah.
when I say effortlessness.
Yes.
And when I say efforts, they feel that sitting idle and doing nothing is effortlessness. No.
Absolutely.
Effortlessness in action. Effortlessness in, thought process. Because there is no stuck in
Yeah.
your mind. There is nothing, you are not stuck with anything in mind. So
Absolutely.
the fluidity is there. Correct. So everything is floating, everything is flowing.
That's
So
how
that
life
is-
is also.
Exactly.
Everything is
Because-
flowing. Nothing has a
Exactly.
structure. Everything is can be fear. It can be love. It can be anything. Can happen anytime.
Anything. The way a river flows, it is same with us. There is no difference between nature and, we are the part of nature. We are the creation.
So nature is not outside us.
Yes,
it is
it is
part
inside
of
us.
us, right?
Correct.
Okay. Okay.
So by creating, we have created so many division. We have created so many, obstacles in our life by structuring everything.
Yes. Yes.
So yes, structuring is okay, fine. To live a life, you need discipline. But by getting stuck in all those structure, actually we are unable to make us more flexible.
Our focus is on the structure. Our focus is not on the humans. That's what China means by.
Exactly.
It-
Yeah.
So, how has been your journey? When
See-
did you begin realizing?
See, I was always I was when I was in an environment of very disciplined, structured kind of family. But yes, it helped me to grow, but somehow it limited me too. Right?
Okay.
If I see that, I started feeling very limited in that structure, because you have to get up, you have to go to the school, you have to study hard, you have to get good marks, and that's how I thought I was caught in condition or structure. Beyond that, I was unable to think. Beyond that, I was unable to act. These are the things you have to do. So these are being taught, decades after decades, or I can say that people are not aware of how to live life. How to live life. We are not being, uh, giving kind of free environment to learn on our own.
True.
Actually, it is always imposed on us that you have to live life. How can I live life according to others?
It would be my life. It would be my
It
experience.
is always taught
Yes.
that you have to live life like this. Structure is given.
Listen to me. You
Yes,
have
these
to
are
do
the
this.
list. These are the list. According to this, you have to live life.
That's
If
beautiful.
if you have take birth, you have to, study hard. You have to earn money. You have to go to a good school. You have to go to a college. You have to do this.
Get
to,
married, have
to
children.
get a good job, to get married, to have children. So all these things are, imposed. So yes, I got trapped in that conditioning. Yes,
Okay.
and it was such a suffering for me.
That trap is a part of the process.
Yes,
You have to go
to
through
make
that
it.
trap to go to the
So
other
that
side.
it makes you realize.
Yes.
So that was a part of my journey. Yes, when I look back, I feel it was a part of my journey to realize the beautiful part of my life.
So coming back to the topic, what do you mean by power of now? What is the now?
See, for example, now I am talking to you. It is absolutely I'm talking to you. There is no time limit. There is no as such. People by now they think that it is time. No, it is not time. That means completely in alignment. I feel it is alignment. For example, I'm chopping vegetables. I'm in alignment. There is no other thoughts in my mind because I'm so aligned with that act. That is oneness.
Okay.
So I'm
okay.
chopping vegetables.
So you can be in power of now while chopping vegetables, while
Vegetables.
gardening, while driving
Correct,
a car, while
correct.
doing anything. You can just be in that
Eating food,
eating food.
talking to you, right? It is default setting kind of for me. If I'm with you, I'm completely with you in this
Beautiful.
moment, right?
Okay.
No one can enter my, no can penetrate my mind.
Oh, beautiful. That's a wonderful way. And now does not mean the clock now that this time now.
Correct. Because I'm not trying. It is happening. Once again, effortlessness.
Beautiful.
For example, I'm with my family. I'm completely with my family. Yes, the task I'm doing, but completely with them, enjoying the moment with them.
Absolutely, absolutely. So,
So,
can you just suggest some ways wherein people can pull themselves to the now? Because mind has a tendency to go to the future or the past.
yes. See, so many things are there nowadays. People get confused because they try and they expect instant gratification out of it.
Absolutely.
And that is the biggest mistake they make. They feel if it is not working for me, let me do some more window shopping. So nowadays, window shopping in spirituality is also happening,
Okay.
right? So I would say that I don't use the word spirituality also because it is once again one more word, and words are always fallacious. So I
Absolutely.
feel that spirituality is nothing, it is adaptation way of living, bringing easiness in your life, bringing effortlessness
So,
in your life.
spirituality is not something outside of you. You
Correct.
cannot go and get it.
You are spiritual.
We are spiritual
We
beings.
are.
Yes, true.
So we need to just peel in the layers, right?
Hmm.
People can do so many things to bring that effortlessness in their day-to-day life, but once again I would say that it is once again journey, and they should stick to the process whatever they have started, and they should not expect the instant gratification. Yes, magic will happen for sure, but they should trust the journey. They
Okay.
should go
So,
through it.
patience is the key. Be patient.
Yeah,
That's what China means. Be
exactly.
slow. It's a slow process, but it's a very deeply enriching process.
So I feel that people can do so many things. For example, as I said, that they should not expect that instant gratification. So they can start with simple conscious breathing. If they are, it is very difficult for them to, sit for long hours. It is not necessary. They have to sit long hours for meditation. They can adapt some good habits, and it will bring change over a period of time.
What I do, China, is suppose I'm cutting vegetables or I'm taking a bath. I just take a break of say 4 seconds, 5 seconds, however long you can, and just be aware of your breath. Just be
Right.
aware, and
Just
you are pulled towards the now by
exactly.
your own. That
Exactly.
is that the only
Yes.
simple exercise.
Yes. Whenever you feel that yes, the mind is chaotic, just do some simple conscious breathing. Conscious breathing doesn't mean that you should do it mechanically. No, you should do it with all awareness. Once again, complete alignment.
Alignment.
Mind, your body, and your breath.
Absolutely,
Right,
absolutely, absolutely.
alignment. That is the actually the alignment is the magic, and
Absolutely.
it can immediately uplift your energy.
I have felt that. I have experienced that.
Hmm.
If you have also felt, do get in touch with us for more activities, for more exercises. Signing off with China. Thank you.
Thank you so much.